Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. The next school year is waving. Before that happens, I would like to thank you for staying connected with me by watching my videos. Today, I'll be discussing about the different weather instruments and their different uses. One of the ways to predict the weather is to measure the temperature. A thermometer is used to measure air temperature. A room thermometer has numbers etched on each side. The left side shows the Celsius reading. Its highest number is 100 or its boiling point, while its lowest is 0 or the freezing point. Now, look at the red column of the thermometer. The number near the end of the red column tells the temperature of the air. That red one is called mercury. Temperature is the hotness or coldness of air around us. It differs from place to place. The angle at which the sun's rays strike the surface affects the temperature of a place. Places near the equator have high temperature because they receive direct rays of the sun. The atmosphere is a blanket of air. Air has weight. Therefore, the atmosphere that surrounds the earth has a force that presses on the earth and everything on it. The air pushes on you all the time, but you cannot feel it. The push of the air is called air pressure. Now, what is air pressure? Air pressure is caused by the weight of all the air in the atmosphere pressing down on Earth. Air pressure changes with the height and also when air warms up or cools down. Changes in air pressure cause changes in the weather. Cold air sinks because it is heavier than warm air. Cold air exerts more pressure. A low air pressure is a sign of bad weather. You can expect rains or a storm when the air pressure is low. Air pressure is measured by an instrument called a barometer. A rising barometer means the weather will be fair. A falling barometer means rains will come. It may also mean an approaching storm. The next weather instrument is called psychrometer. A psychrometer is a device used to measure the humidity of air. It accomplishes this by comparing the difference in temperature between a dry thermometer bulb and a wet thermometer bulb that has lost some of its moisture through evaporation. Water vapor is present in the air. It comes from the water that evaporates from the seas, rivers, and lakes. It comes from anything that has water. Even the water in your body evaporates too. To evaporate means to change to vapor. The amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. Air may have a low humidity or a high humidity. A wind vane is a device that tells the direction of the wind. Wind direction is the direction from which the wind is blowing. The four letters E, W, N, and S represent the four directions: east, west, north, and south. If the arrowhead of the wind vane faces the north direction, we say the wind is blowing north. It is the north wind. If it blows from the east, it is east wind. If the arrowhead points between north and east, we say the wind is blowing northeast. The speed of the wind may be fast or slow. Sometimes it blows gently, but at other times it blows fast. An anemometer measures wind speed. There are four cups mounted on arms attached to a rotating shaft. The cups turn around as they are pushed by the wind. As the wind blows faster, the cups turn faster too. When the wind blows gently, The caps of the anemometer turn slower. A change in speed indicates a change in wind speed. Next weather instrument is called rain gauge. The rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. Not only does a rain gauge measure rainfall, but also all other forms of precipitation. It is placed in an open space. The gauge catches the rain. The water drains into a measuring tube. After the rainfall, the amount of precipitation is measured in centimeter.